Hello students, today I am going to discuss Daniell cell, that is an example of galvanic cell. In this cell, following redox reactions occurs. Zinc oxidizes into zinc double plus and copper ion reduces. Means zinc rod behaves as anode and copper rod behaves as cathode because oxidation takes place at anode and reduction takes place as cathode. This reaction is combination of two half reactions. Cu double plus 2 electron gives copper reduction half reaction and zinc gives zinc double plus 2 electron oxidation half reaction. So in this cell there are two types of reactions, oxidation half reactions and reduction half reactions. After that, these two portions of half cells are also called these two portions of cell are also called half cells or redox couples. A potential difference develops between the electrodes and the electrolyte is called as electrode potential. Students, the rod that is dipped in solution is known as electrode, and the potential difference between the rod and the salt solution of rod is known as electrode potential. When the concentration of all the species involved in a half cell is unity, then the electrode potential is known as standard electrode potential. Means in standard condition, electrode potential is known as standard electrode potential. According to IUPAC conventions, standard reduction potential are now called as standard electrode potential. Means students, whenever we will talk about standard electrode potential, means we are talking about standard reduction potential. If there is no mention with potential and we are talking about standard electrode potential, means we are saying about reduction potential in standard condition. In galvanic cell, the half cell in which oxidation takes place is called anode and it has a negative potential with respect to the solution. The other half cell in which reduction takes place is called cathode and it has a positive potential with respect to the solution. Thus, there exists a potential difference between the two electrodes due to which electron flows from negative electrode to positive electrode. The direction of current flows in opposite to that of electron flow. Means student, there are two types of electrode, one oxidation electrode, other reduction electrode. Oxidation electrode and reduction electrode. So there will be difference of electrode potential between these two electrodes due to which transfer of electron take place from one electrode to other and current flows from the opposite direction to the direction of electron flow. The potential difference between the two electrodes of a galvanic cell is called cell potential. E cell is equal to E right minus E left, E cell equal to cathode minus anode. Students, whenever we will represent Daniell cell, we know that right side cathode present and left side anode present. Therefore, we can also say that E cell equal to E right minus E left or E cell equal to E cathode minus E anode. In standard condition, E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Cell potential is equal to standard reduction potential of cathode minus standard reduction potential of anode. So we can calculate cell potential in standard condition by the formula E naught cell equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. After that, measurement of electrode potential. Students, we cannot measure electrode potential of a single electrode. Therefore, there is need of such a kind of electrode with the help of which we can measure the electrode potential of unknown electrode. Students, किसी भी एक सिंगल इलेक्ट्रोड का पोटेंशियल हम फाइंड नहीं कर सकते, इसीलिए हमें किसी एक इलेक्ट्रोड को स्टैंडर्ड मानना पड़ता है जिसकी हेल्प से हम दूसरे इलेक्ट्रोड का पोटेंशियल फाइंड करते हैं. Reference electrode with the help of which we will find the electrode potential of other electrode is known as reference electrode. Electrode potential of a single electrode cannot be measured. Only difference between the two electrode potential can be measured experimentally. For this, we couple one electrode with other electrode that has known electrode potential. This electrode is called reference electrode. स्टूडेंट, जैसा मैंने अभी कहा कि किसी एक सिंगल इलेक्ट्रोड का पोटेंशियल हम फाइंड नहीं कर सकते हैं. फाइंड करने के लिए हमें दो इलेक्ट्रॉन को ज्वाइंट करना होता है, जिसमें से एक का इलेक्ट्रोड हमें कुछ भी मान लेना पड़ता है, और जिस इलेक्ट्रोड का पोटेंशियल हम मान के चलते हैं उसे हम लोग बोलते हैं रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रोड. और रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रोड का पोटेंशियल हम जनरली ज़ीरो मानकर चलते हैं. तो रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रोड एग्जांपल हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड एंड कैलोमल इलेक्ट्रोड. स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड. हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड इज ए प्राइमरी स्टैंडर्ड इलेक्ट्रोड. This is because it acts as a cathode as well as anode with respect to other electrode very easily. तो स्टूडेंट्स, जनरली रेफरेंस इलेक्ट्रोड में हम यूज़ करते हैं हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड का. क्यों? क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन दूसरे इलेक्ट्रोड के रेस्पेक्ट में कैथोड का भी वर्क इजीली करता है और एनोड की तरह भी बिहेव इजीली करता है. इन ऑक्सीडेशन, इफ ऑक्सीडेशन टेक प्लेस, स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड बिहेव्स एज एनोड. तो बेटा, अगर हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीडाइज होता है तो हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड एनोड का काम करता है. हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीडाइज होगा तो ये H2 से H+ में आ जाएगा, और अगर हाइड्रोजन रिड्यूस होगा तो ये H+ से H2 में आ जाएगा. तो हाइड्रोजन के ऑक्सीडाइज होने पर हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड एनोड का काम करेगा. हाइड्रोजन के रिड्यूस होने पर हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड कैथोड का काम करता है. क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन एनोड और कैथोड दोनों का काम ईजिली कर लेता है, इसीलिए हम हाइड्रोजन को स्टैंडर्ड हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड की तरह यूज़ करते हैं. कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ SHE. The SHE is constructed by bubbling H2 gas at 1 atmosphere pressure over platinum sheet immersed in 1 mHCl solution. बेटा, हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड बनाने के लिए 1 मोलर सोल्यूशन HCl लेकर उसमें प्लेटिनम इलेक्ट्रोड को हम डिप करते हैं और उस पर हाइड्रोजन गैस की बबलिंग करते हैं. रिप्रेजेंटेशन. स्टूडेंट्स, हाइड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रोड को हम लोग रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं प्लेटिनम H2 at 1 atm pressure separated from the electrolyte H+ at 1 m solution. तो this H+ comes from HCl. तो हाइड्रोजन 1 atm प्रेशर पर प्लेटिनम रॉड के ऊपर बबल की जाती है. प्लेटिनम रॉड HCl सोल्यूशन से सेपरेट होती है. ओके, थैंक यू.